Design of utility networks just got faster and smarter. Meet infraWizard, your essential AutoCAD plugin for seamless wet utility networks design. Why rely on traditional methods when infraWizard simplifies every step with greater efficiency and ease? With infraWizard, you can create pipe networks from AutoCAD entities or import models from multiple file formats like shapefiles, SWEM, and EPANIT. Need to spot issues? Easily annotate crossing points and identify potential interference problems. Take your designs to the next level with batch profile drawing, automatic fitting definition, and intuitive tools for adding valves and hydrants. Plus, infraWizard exports 3D BIM models, ensuring flawless integration with Autodesk Navisworks. Why choose infraWizard? It's easy to use, faster than the competition, and handles everything from small to massive networks. With a 5-star rating on Autodesk App Store, infraWizard is trusted by engineers worldwide. Upgrade your workflow today. Visit infrawizard.com and get your free license.